Permanent gazebos are a great addition to any outdoor space. There are many products available to choose permanent gazebos, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best permanent gazebos from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cozyard Alexander 10-foot by 12-foot hardtop gazebo. The Cozyard Alexander hardtop aluminum permanent gazebo is an excellent choice for those looking for a sturdy and stylish outdoor shelter. The rust-proof aluminum frame is much bigger and stronger than standard models, featuring a dark brown color that adds an elegant touch to your garden. The hard metal top is extremely durable, ensuring long-lasting protection from the sun and rain. The gazebo also comes with a double-track system that allows you to add another layer of privacy sidewall, while the galvanized steel roof can withstand heavy snow. Better water gutter design ensures rainwater always goes to the corner. The gazebo is better ventilated than one-layer design and comes with a PBV-coated polyester mosquito netting and removable steel railing on 4 sides, offering you a comfortable outdoor experience without mosquitoes or other insects. Number 2. Outsunny 10-foot by 12-foot hardtop gazebo. Enjoy outdoor gatherings without worrying about the weather with the Outsunny hardtop gazebo canopy. This durable gazebo features a 2-tier metal protection system with a galvanized steel roof that repels rain and keeps you and your patio furniture dry. The aluminum frame is designed to withstand wind, rain, and some snow. The gazebo also comes with netting sidewalls to keep out bugs and privacy curtains to block out glare and wind. With its versatile design, you can hang lights or decorations from the ceiling hook and easily mount it to any outdoor surface. Get ready to host poolside parties, patio picnics, and more with the Outsunny hardtop gazebo canopy. Number 3. Suncrown 10 by 10 feet outdoor gazebo. The Suncrown outdoor gazebo features a vented dual-tiered canopy for stability in windy conditions, durable rust-resistant powder-coated aluminum frames, and 4 corner curtains for additional storage. Perfect for backyard, garden, or lawn placement, it's also versatile enough for special events such as weddings and picnics. Assembly is quick and easy with all necessary hardware and instructions included. Number 4. Lawson Home Outdoor Patio Gazebo. The Lawson Home Gazebo is a top-quality and durable outdoor shelter. With significant upgrades from the previous version, this gazebo features a heavy-duty galvanized iron frame that can resist winds up to level 7. The roof frame is designed to support up to 250 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. The 1,500 milliliters water-pressure waterproof polyester fabric used in the construction of this gazebo is fade-resistant and UV-resistant UPF 50+, providing excellent protection against harmful ultraviolet rays. The ventilated double roof design not only adds an attractive touch, but also keeps the interior cool and mosquito-free. Equipped with mosquito nettings and waterproof curtains, this gazebo offers privacy and protection from insects. It is perfect for outdoor events such as parties, weddings, and picnics. Easy to install and backed by a warranty, the Lawson Home Gazebo is a reliable and versatile choice for your outdoor space. Number 5. Hapesho 10-foot by 12-foot hardtop gazebo. The Hapesho hardtop gazebo is the perfect addition to your outdoor space. With its fade-resistant and rust-resistant galvanized steel roof, this gazebo provides unmatched stability and protection from sunlight, UV, rain, and snow. The wood-grain-framed aluminum frame not only adds aesthetic appeal but also ensures durability. The double-roofed ventilated design improves stability in high wind conditions and allows for air circulation, keeping you cool during the summer. The built-in hooks provide the option to hang lights or decorations, adding a touch of comfort. The dual-slide zippered sidewalls offer added protection, privacy, and convenience. Additionally, the water gutter design ensures rainwater flows away, reducing maintenance. Enjoy a spacious and comfortable outdoor experience with the Hapesho hardtop gazebo.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.